seem to hold it because I hurt my finger yesterday. I'm actually finding it hard to work at this height. I prefer it a wee bit higher. You might find those benches there are better. Right, so if that's, I'll just leave that like that and I'll go on and do the repoussé in the other shape. So I've taken that out, heating it gently to get the pitch off, and then when I've got most of the pitch off, I burn that under the extractor and then pickle it and flip it over, and I'm ready to start repoussé. These are all tools you could use for this technique. They're usually sort of wide and quite domed. There's all sorts of different shapes there.
Show that again.
And then bigger areas. So I might actually start with this one. You can also use very small doming punches as well. So I'm going to start with this one. Start in the middle. In fact, I'm going to start with a big one. So you're basically creating 3D form with the punches. And I'm going to take a smaller one and go into the corners with it. It's amazing how flexible the metal is. You see how that's really going quite deep there. I'm just moving it. It's the same technique as the chafing tool. I'm just moving the tool gradually over the metal while hammering at the top. And then if you get I've got a sort of bumpy area there, so I might just go over that and try and get some of those little bumps out. And I've got a ridge in the middle which I'm going to try and take out now as well. Right, maybe just do a wee bit more there, and then I'm going to take it out. You can, if you want to work on it more to make it deeper, you can take it out and anneal it and put it back in, but you have to take care, especially with the copper, because after a while, if you stretch it too much, it splits, which is a great shame after you've done a lot of work on it. I'm just actually going to I'm just going to do my little stalk. Just going to try and push that out a wee bit. But I'm having to use, because it's, see, that's not good. I'm needing a tool there isn't maybe a tool that's going to do it. It's too fine really. Anyway, I'll just do it with that. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'll show you how to take it out and burn all the pitch off, and then I'm going to flatten it